Comelec Cordillera lauds the security agencies involved in this month's elections. This report from Jonathan Llanes of PTV Baguio.
Efficient and extensive coordination between the regional Philippine National Police, Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the Commission on Elections was the key in the peaceful conduct of this year's political exercise. This was how Election Commission Regional Director Attorney Jose Nick Mendez described the strategic implementation of their security measures for this May's election during their post-election briefing. Because of this, the Cordillera Administrative Region was the forerunner amongst other regions in the sending of election results.
Now, it has not been said yet, but of the 16 regions in the whole country, Cordillera Administrative Region was the first to fully transmit the election returns to the National Board of Canvassers. Congratulations. But then again, what we have done here in CAR, in Abra, in Kalinga is just one. Sabi nga ni PD sa Abra, monumental step toward a more challenging conduct of elections in the next time. I believe it will be this year or in 2016. This challenge, of course, could be made easily by taking into consideration the best practices that we have utilized in these elections.
The Regional Election Commission Chief encouraged government to continue educating voters on the political process of the country. This, he said, will ensure the quality of elected candidates that will be placed in office in future political exercises.
A paradigm shift on a public orientation should be undertaken by Comelec. The people should be taught to hold the candidates accountable for all their actions and activities undertaken to promote their candidacies. Focus on election law violations should be shifted from the fact that Comelec, the PNP, and the AFP could not successfully apprehend and prosecute these violators, to the fact that the candidates and their supporters failed to follow the laws and rules and somehow should not be elected to the office they are aspiring for.
Meanwhile, Cordillera's top cop, Police Chief Superintendent Benjamin Magalong stressed that both the PNP and AFP denied any political influence to disrupt the implementation of their security measures. Both security agencies of government remained firm in their stand to secure the conduct of this year's political exercise.
Masarap isipin na madali pa lang yumaman, tanggap ka lang. But as I've said, nag-usap-usap kami ng aming mga partners at napagkasunduan namin, never will we allow ourselves to be influenced, to be used, and to be abused. Nakakahiya sa aking mga partners kung sakasakali man na malaman nila na yung regional director pala ng Philippine National Police ay tumanggap.
From the city of Baguio for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.